Have you ever wondered how successful mompreneurs balance business and motherhood? This video contains 5 game-changing habits that will help you succeed in your business and in your family. If you are a businesswoman or you're thinking of starting one, stick around because you will get some useful tips from this video that will help you to run a successful motherhood and still be a good mother. These 5 habits that I'm about to list, they've helped me a lot to run my business and still maintain a good home. So I'm about to share it with you to encourage you out there that even as a mom, you can still run a successful business. Let's look at one of the tips, which is prioritization and time blocking. Okay, you schedule time for your work and time for your family, and don't cheat on any of the time. When it's time for work, you focus on your work, and when it's time for your family, drop everything about work and focus on your family, and make your timetable in a way that it will suit your work and that of your family. I can't map out a timetable for you because you know your home, you know how your home runs, you know the day-to-day activities of your home, the time, the free time for your children, their school time, and the time that you will have to spend with them. So it's left for you to bring out your pen and your diary and map out time, schedule time in a way that you won't leave anyone behind. You carry everyone along, your business along, and your family too. By scheduling time, you have time like the time for your kids, the time to play with them, the time to interact with them, to know what's going on in their lives, the time to stay with your partner and bond and communicate and plan ahead, and the time for your business. When you schedule time, it will help you to be successful in your business and also in your family. There are things or tools that have helped me to do this task of prioritization and time blocking, and these tools include having a planner, Google timetable, and even to-do list. Table down everything that you are to do with your family in a week, and try to adjust your work time to fit in those time. Then having a Google calendar, you can set it and put all those things that you're to do with your family members, with your kids, with your partner, and the time of your work, and Google will help to remind you. Another tool that will help out in prioritization and time blocking is to-do list. To-do list will help you to fulfill your day-to-day tasks or day-to-day activities. In your to-do list, you can include, in the morning before you step out, you write down everything that you are to do for that very day, for you not to forget any of them. That include the one for your work and the one for your home. This will help you to schedule your time, and it will help you to balance the two, your family and your work. The second is delegation and outsourcing. Mompreneurs, they don't do everything all by themselves. They delegate tasks. They delegate tasks to their kids. They use automation, and they use virtual assistants, and the list goes on. So if as a mompreneur, if you feel that this particular house chore that your children, they can handle it, please delegate the tasks to them. Also, the use of automation. The mompreneurs, they use automation to do one chores or the other at home, and they use virtual assistants such as helps that can help them to run one errand or the other. This will help them to balance motherhood and their business without being burned out. Third tip is self-care. Mompreneurs, they don't joke with self-care, and I'm telling you that self-care isn't selfish. So map out time to take care of yourself, breathe, medicate, work out, and do anything that you think or you feel that will help you to relax. Remember, you cannot pour out from an empty pot. So as a mompreneur and as a mother, you need to be articulated. You need your mind to be together at all times. So you need self-care. The fourth is continuous learning and adaptability. Learning, they say, never ends. So continue learning, continue exploring. Make sure that no day passes by without you as a mompreneur learning one particular thing, one new thing. Give yourself like 10 to 15 minutes in every day to learn a new thing. It could be how the trends in your business. It can be tips on how to grow your business. It can be to learn a course that will help you to thrive in your business. Make sure that you learn a new thing in a day, and you will see yourself succeeding as a mompreneur. And the fifth is building a support system. As a mompreneur, as a businesswoman, please look for people of like mind. Like search for groups, communities, or people that are into the same business with you. Why will you do that? It's for you to learn and unlearn. There are people that are into that business before you. There are people that have had so many experiences. So join those groups, join those communities, and make sure you are learning, and make sure you drop the ones that you feel they are not necessary. So I've listed 5 must-have habits of a mompreneur or a businesswoman. So which of these habits will you work on? Drop it in the comment, and make sure you work on it to improve and succeed in your various businesses as a woman. Yes, we have come to the end of this content. Thank you so much for watching. Remember that this channel is all about motherhood, health-related topics, and entrepreneurship. And if you find this content helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and see you in our next content. Bye.